Welcome back everyone. So how you can change your default save location in Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so how you can do that? First of all, open the Edge browser and I'll open the Edge browser. Now you can see I have opened my Edge browser. In the right hand side you can see the three dots. Yeah? Click on three dots and slide down a little bit and you can see the settings option. Okay, click on the settings option. When you click on the settings option, there are many things you have to see. Okay, and first of all you can see in the left hand side there is a download option. Okay, so click on download option. Now you can see here are some settings, okay, where you can change your download location. Here, from here you can click to change and select the location, and that's it. And also you can enable this option. This option provide that whenever you trying to download something, it will ask you where it should be downloaded. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.